Let's set up a command for Twitch using streamer.bot that will allow you to randomly target a user and send a fun message. For this example, we'll build an exclamation crush command that your users can type and your bot will tell them which random user they have a crush on. It's fun and stupid, and I often find that these kind of silly commands get used a lot and can cause a whole cascade of engagement once they get used. This should only take a few minutes and we'll learn how to choose a random user with streamer.bot. I'll assume you already have streamer.bot installed and connected to your channel and stuff. If you haven't, go see my guide on how to set up streamer.bot and then come back here. The link to that will be in the description as well. Now, in the Action tab of streamer.bot, right-click and choose Add. Name the action how you want. You can leave everything else at a default unless you want to assign this action to a particular group or queue. In the action, you'll want to start by adding an Add Random User sub-action by right-clicking in the Sub-Actions panel and choosing Twitch, Users, Add Random Users. In the dialog that appears, choose 1 as the count, and then check the present only box so that the bot only chooses from users who are actually in chat right now. If you want it to reach out to anyone that the bot has ever seen in your chat, you can keep that box unchecked. Click OK to save, and add a Send Message to Channel sub-action by right-clicking and choosing Twitch, Chat, Send Message to Channel. In the pop-up for this sub-action, put the following message. User has a crush on random user 0. You'll see that the user part and the random user 0 are both surrounded by %signs. That indicates that they are variables within the streamer.bot message. The user part will use the name of the user who typed the command, and the random user 0 part will use the name of the randomly chosen user. Now our action is all set up, and we just need to set up the command itself. Keeping our action selected, right-click in the top right panel of the Actions tab labeled Triggers. Right-click to add a new trigger and choose Core Commands Command Triggered. In the dialog that pops up, click the Create Command button and we'll get a form to create our exclamation crush command. On the form, use crush as the name as well as the command, and ensure that the enabled checkbox is checked. Then click OK. The small pop-up for the trigger should still be there, and this new command should be pre-selected now. You can just click OK and we're done. You may want to go back to the Commands tab and revisit this command later to add permissions or cooldowns or whatever, but for now we're just getting it working. Users should now be able to type exclamation crush in chat and the bot will spit out the result. Enjoy, and feel free to send this along to anyone else who might like to set up a similar command in streamer.bot. Let me know in the comments how you end up using it, and as always, remember to spread love, not hate.